Asalamualaikum guys. Here's a quick video for installing Sublime Text 4. It's similar to installing Sublime Text 3, so I'm on my Windows Surface Pro and that's why it shows download for Windows here. You could also go to the menu's download page and use downloadable links for other systems like Mac and Linux shown here. For myself, I'll click on Windows and wait for the executable to download. Clicking on the downloading file to open once it's downloaded. Now on my Windows I get that pop-up. Do you want to allow this program to make changes to your PC? We click yes. Now the installation setup appears. So here you can go for your options. I'll just keep it default and hit next, then hit install. After it has been installed on our PC, click finish, and I can then find Sublime Text 4 on my Windows search here. Open that. We'll find Sublime Text's window appear on our screen, just making the Sublime window a bit bigger. So this empty Python file you see here was open in my Sublime Text 3 previously with the same theme and large font size. But I had removed Sublime Text 3 from my PC before this video. To check what version of Sublime we are using, go to the drop-down Help menu and click on About Sublime Text. This pop-up appears where the subtitle at the bottom says Build 4126 at the end. This number comes in the range of 4000s, meaning that it's a Sublime Text 4 build, where otherwise for Sublime Text 3, this build number would have been in the range of 3000s. Hence, we successfully installed Sublime Text 4. Awesome. Let's test out some Python code here then. Maybe a little math with numbers 5 to 1. Printing this out with Ctrl B shows our output 4.75 in the console. Sweet. So Python is working on our Sublime, and you can test out different languages on your Sublime Text. So that's all for the video. I hope it helped you, and I'll be signing out. Take care, and Assalamualaikum guys.